And that's why, notice, Allah has never kept a direct connection between your education and the amount of money you have. Have you noticed that? The richest are the thickest. Not always. Sorry, not always. But what I mean is, look at the globe. They're the people who fell out of school sometimes. They're the people who didn't do so well. They lost here, lost there. They tried harder and so on. There are exceptions, and the exceptions are becoming a little bit more. But, nowadays it does not mean that you're highly educated so you're actually correct all the time. Doesn't mean that. Sometimes you're highly educated. That's the reason why you're wrong. Because you did not drop yourself to the level of the reality on the ground across the globe. You travel, are you going to respect others? The answer is no. They must do what I do. They must think the way I think. I'm the sharpest, I'm the most intelligent, I'm the most advanced, and that's what it is. And if they don't think the way I do, and if they don't want to do things exactly the way I think is the right thing, we're going to fight them. That's the attitude of countries sometimes. And that's why face reality. Calm down. Learn to respect people with a difference. What did I start with? I started by saying when you see something that perhaps you feel you wouldn't do or you are not going to be a part of because of your faith or whatever other reason it is, are you not going to offer them human respect? Are you going to spit at them and swear at them? No, not at all. I'm a believer. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all. I see the silence here. And I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala truly to grant you all goodness.